Good evening. It's 3 in the morning now. Hello, guys. Thank you for attending today's meeting. I am the director. I will introduce myself, Kuchisaki Onna. So we don't have any absentees today. That's very nice. I really like the full record on today's attendance of this meeting. So since the Halloween trick-or-treating is coming, we're gonna have a lot to discuss. So we're gonna go over to our assistant director in order to introduce us the agenda and the purpose for today's meeting.
So today, before I start with my agenda and purposes, I would like to introduce myself. I'm the Annabelle Twin 1. So now the purpose of our program is to do trick or treat. The second one is to scare the people in the neighborhood, and then to build relationship with the neighborhood and ghosts. So now I'll pass to our manager to explain about the role of each of us.
Hello everyone, welcome to the meeting. I'll be your manager and I am Violet. Today I will be fixing the roles for each and every one of you for the upcoming program, which is called Trick and Treat. First of all, I'd like to start with our treasurer, which would be Dracula, and our secretary for this program would be Benchi, and yes, me, the manager, Violet. And we will also be having 3 AJKs, which includes cleanliness, safety, and also creativity. So for the cleanliness, Brittle will be in charge, and for the safety, Casper will be in charge, and for the creativity, Annabelle Twin 2 will be in charge. Now let's move on to food and beverages. No Face and Carrie Kruger will be in charge of this. So does anyone have any questions to ask about your roles? If you do, please ask now, because I do not want to fix the roles and then we have some that do not want to agree to your role and some is not satisfied with your role. So please voice out your opinions. Yeah.
May I know that now I'm in cleanliness unit, what am I supposed to do?
Okay, that's a really good question. You're in cleanliness unit. Basically, you have to take care of the cleanliness of the entire neighborhood. For example, our program is based on trick and treat, so obviously the kids and also parents might be involved in the program. So there are tendency of them to throw the wrapping papers and rubbish everywhere because they're kids. So you are in charge of the cleanliness. Make sure the neighborhood is always in clean condition, and also make sure that no rubbish are left over anywhere, because it is really important, because I do not want any complaints from the neighborhood after our program. Yeah?
Sure. So I would like to ask all the AJK food. So can I know what type of food are y'all preparing?
For now, we are preparing candies, and because it's Halloween, so we focus on candies, obviously. So, Miss Kruger, do you have any opinion?
I'm also planning on preparing a drink called Bloody Mary drink. So it will be red in colors, and I think it will suit our plan for the Halloween trick-or-treat activities. Yeah.
Can I know if it's safe for the children?
Yes, it's safe.
Yes, it's only made of fruit, and we're just adding food coloring. Yeah.
Alright.
Interesting. Anyone else have any question, any doubts?
About your rules?
May I know for the AJK creativity, right? May I know how to decorate the neighborhood and everything?
You can have ribbons all over the place, and if you see in some videos about Halloween theme, people use candles to hang all over the place to show it's like a Halloween. So you can use candles, and if you want, you can have ideas from YouTube.
Okay, since we're clear on our roles as the members of the 10 Goat Association, so we're going to discuss more further about how we're going to make sure the trick-or-treat goes well. So the first agenda that we're going to be discussing is about the enjoyment of the children of the neighborhood as well as the members of the 10 Goats. So does anyone have anything to say? I think we should move towards the people in charge of the creativity and of course safety. So Casper and Annabelle Twins.
So I think that the children would feel more safe when we allow the parents to join the trick or treat as well, because the children will obviously go go to every house, so their safety is not ensured. So with their parents, they would feel more safe.
Okay, but so as you said, the parents have to be there to take care of the children. But then it's actually our job to take care of the children, of their safety. So like we would always be there to like look after them, or where are they walking to, like really take care of them, handle them with care. So I think it wouldn't be such a big problem, and the parents don't have to really worry that much because there are few of us to take care of them, like where are they walking or what are they up to, those kind of things.
That's true.
Yeah, and I would like to add on to that. I think it would be better if you would assign few safety guards for the children, because we never know, we might, take turns, even though I've assigned each and every one of you your respective job, but there would be a tendency of you helping your other co-workers because it's a teamwork end of the day. So I'm afraid we might not be everywhere wherever the children are going. So it would be better if you would hire a few safety guards. It's the safety for both the ghosts and also the neighborhoods and also the kids. Yeah.
So I would like to add on we can actually have games for the kids based on the Halloween theme, so that the kids won't get bored throughout the event, and also they will be occupied as well.
Can I know what type of games are we gonna plan?
Maybe we can have like treasure hunt with using the candies, and also we can have like sugar rush and also truth or dare for the kids.
Yes. So the treasurer, can we know the real budget of our event?
Okay, so for our budget, we have allocated for 5 drachmas for the food and beverages and whatnot. So if we comparing it will be like 5,000. 5,000 ringgit.
So what's the budget for the candies only?
Beverages? Candies? We can have a lot, man!
It's Halloween. So
It's
like, we need a lot of candies.
Do you guys have any types of candies, specific candies that you guys wanna give to the
Actually, we kind of made a like candies that looks like a eyeballs, maybe a fingers, tongues.
So most of the candies are handmade. So you guys just buy the ingredients from the store and then you guys made it to look very Halloweenish. That's
Yeah.
very creative.
That's very nice.
What is the budget like food and beverage unit for the candies? Like especially if it's handmade, it's gonna cost more time.
We think only our food and beverages should be allocated about 1,000 bahts.
That's reasonable.
Okay, about the creativity, so we'll use around how much in the budget for the decorations around the neighborhood?
I think it will cost around like 100 to 200, because the stuffs you can get from the stores are not very expensive and affordable for the Halloween theme. So it's maybe around 100.
Oh, can I know if we are providing costumes for the children?
Yeah, we can actually provide the costumes for the children, but they have to like give us the size and
I
the.
feel like that's more of a hassle. We can just tell them beforehand that they should be dressed in
According
a
to
theme,
the theme.
According to the theme.
Or
of
maybe we can
Halloween.
provide the theme color, and then all the children will just dress up according to the theme color. So maybe if it's black or full white, maybe all the children are dressed in white.
First, provided costume is going to cost more.
Yeah. We'll run out of budget.
It's okay. It's okay. We can get more money.
How?
Collect from the children's parents.
That could be ghost.
Where the ghosts? We can steal. We can
Yes,
just
we have
compel.
a lot of assets to give away, a lot of
Yes.
assets to gain from. So we don't have to worry about the budgets. You guys can spend as much as you want on food or on costume, on cleanliness, anything. We just want to make sure the neighborhood children are happy and safe, but you guys need to enjoy it as well.
Yeah. Actually, I suggest of doing a ghost house which can make the children more happy and enjoy.
That in the creativity section, in the enjoyment session as well.
Since I'm under the cleanliness unit, for now I have planned to provide more plastic bags so that the children will not litter everywhere. And I feel like it's our responsible to monitor the children so that they wouldn't throw the trash wherever they want. So we have to follow them and make sure guide them to throw them in the rubbish bin that we provide.
Yeah, I think what we can do is we can spook the children back home as soon as they got their candies before they get the chance to throw and litter away.
Yeah, save
Yes.
so much of time and cost.
Exactly. Save a lot of efforts.
Excuse me, may I ask the creativity basically? What is your decorations?
Decoration maybe we can, as our assistant director said, we can hang the candles around the neighborhood, and also we can have pumpkin lights around the neighborhood. So it will be very attractive and
I think Dracula has a lot of huntings recently. So what about the corpses? Have you got rid of the corpses? The dismembered corpses? I think we can throw them around the neighborhood just to make a decoration.
What do you think?
Oh, that's a good idea. Can get them scared.
Yes, that's what we
It's time to bring on all our skills,
yes.
especially Annabelle twins.
You know, we know what to do.
So, any more questions?
Is everyone clear about the agenda? All three agendas?
Yes.
Alright. If there is any question, please clear it now because we are proceeding to the next level of our event. So, is there any questions?
Okay, so that is a wrap for our today's meeting. I would like to thank each and everyone for coming today. And now I'll proceed back to our director. Director, do you have any words to say?
So, we have discussed about all the agendas, we have known how to make our neighborhood children happy, how to maintain the safety of our members and the children. So now I think we can safely proceed to a performance that we have prepared. It's not the uncommon one. We have our, the everyday ritual after the meeting. We're gonna meme on some harmless neighborhood children just for the sake of it, Next week is gonna be really heavy for us, so we need all the energy we can get. So I prepared some kids for us to meme on. So, yes.
I have something for the kids, which is I suggest that all the girls would like to pop out of nowhere when the children are walking around the neighborhood and to spook them out.
Okay, that's good. So, adding to the performance section, I would also like to suggest that we, as our community member, I would want all of us to take part in the performance because I want all of us to showcase our talent besides spooking and scaring the neighborhood. I want to let the neighbors know that we are actually talented ghosts. I want us to dance, sing, and at the same time, if you have the opportunity, go and scare. But let's just showcase our talent, do some groovy moves and stuff. And I would suggest Bruno Mars songs because they are very, very happy and jovial. The kids would enjoy the songs. At the same time, we could do simple steps and just outcast our talent.
I have an idea. Why don't we all do flash mob? Do you all agree with it?
Yes, it's very
Yeah.
nice. That's a good idea, I love it.
I think we can even call the kids and the parents to join us as well. I think it would be great.
Maybe we can do Arabic style so that everyone will join the
And ghost style, of course.
Yes. And right after, if our meeting is a success, I promise to bring you to Hotel Transylvania. We're gonna stay there the night and we're gonna have after party. Yes, but I want each and every one of you to take this really seriously because we are handling kids. I do not want any dead cases. You know what's gonna happen next. We're gonna get kicked out of the neighborhood. So please, please make sure that everything goes smooth.
Do y'all know that Annabelle twins are the best dancers in the world?
Please! We never saw you dancing before.
I think Morning Myrtle is the best one out of our all.
Okay, wait. I forgot something. I think it's our responsibility to remove all the spiritual and holy things.
Oh yeah, that's for the safety of the children.
How are we supposed to do it?
I have a friend who is a pastor and he is very good at something like this. What if I ask him to come?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Good idea.
Alright.
But he's not gonna harm us, right?
Is he on
No,
our
he,
side?
he is very good and he does not have anything about ghosts.
Alright.
Nice.
Then that's fine.
It would be really nice if he can cooperate with us.
Yes.
Okay, please make sure all the things we discussed today would be well prepared before our event, so it will not clash our event and let our event go smoothly.
Okay. As
Good
a
luck,
last
girls.
note, I also want to remind you guys, if you guys spot any talisman, any spiritual things like our friend here told us before, just alert one another, alert the safety, and we'll tell the pastor to remove it for us. Our safety matters too. Okay, guys?
Yes.
Okay, yes. So we can end the meeting in a good note. So thank you guys for coming to today's meeting. And I hope to see your faces spooking our children again. Thank you.
Yay.
One, two, go.
That's for the safety of the children. Alright.
Okay, one, two, go.